The essentials. Oh, racetrack pizza. Yeah.
What's up, motherfuckers? Back at BMP again, you know.
Like I was just here yesterday.
Just slinging some dough, dude.
Wow, look at this guy.
Look at that sky. I did that for all my followers. No, but that's just Florida. Oh man, we're out here again. We got some
Wait for that fucker.
40. Insert wild thornberries right there. This is the key of your tuner, making your tuner happy. Give him what he wants.
I don't know why
we're out here. We're out. Oh shit! Almost fell. Out here at Bradenton again. Back-to-back Thursdays with Chris and Matt and Dalton. Trying to we put some weight on the front end of the car. We fixed the boost creep problem off the get-go, and I turned the boost sleeve down, probably like 8 pounds of boost. Track should be hot because there's a bunch of people here, so I know Wade's got that thing on point. But we're gonna go here and turn the boost down, try to leave without pulling a damn wheelie again. Just try to go A to B. Try to get like 2 to 3 A to B passes today for the number we're trying to run. We're not trying to set the world on fire. But simple passes, no wheelies, maybe first round, but we'll fix it.
Man of the hour on the computer. Is that dual gears going right now?
Gucci.
Son of a bitch couldn't even open me a beer up.
You're working hard, filming.
Can't even see you now. Son of a bitch.
Hello. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
Nice dead cat you got going on up here. Well, we're fighting the track, unfortunately. We're pulling up the data right now to see what kind of boost it left on there. It definitely wasn't as aggressive as last weekend, but the track I don't think is as hot as last weekend because they got a bunch of street cars. As you can see, there's like, I don't know. Go ahead, turn it. 6 cars. So I don't think the track is would be on a private test. So we're gonna turn the boost way down, just try to get it out of the hole and ramp it from there and just try to go fast. So that's what we can do, we'll see.
And as usual, we can't have Matt in this car without a Bud Light Lime in his hand. Or things just don't go well, so that's probably the problem. What's going on with your deal over here? What? You got food you didn't even tell me?
My bad. It's
What's going on over here?
good.
Oh no.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
How's that run?
Fast. Last time, just did a 430. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was wondering where all my socks are. Don't worry, boys, because they're all up front from the past 4 test races. I just take them off and throw my handy dandy Crocs on, and then I fucking get out of here.
It's disgusting.
I have like, I don't know, 6 pounds of dirty laundry up there. Hey, this is yours. Your nut wrench.
Oh, thanks. You want to go too much?
All right, boys. Well, we just got a new personal best. I think this is our 2nd or 3rd week down at BMP. Track finally came around. We lowered the boost down to 7 PSI. Our 60 foot was a booyah! Our 330 was a booyah! 5. That was kind of realistic. And our, what did we run? Oh, 8th mile was a booyah! Uh-oh! 100 mile an hour.
We're good.